If you are still creating content in 2026 the same way you did 2 years ago, you are already losing. And I don't mean slowly losing. I mean getting buried by creators who are using AI tools that work 24/7, test thumbnails automatically, write better hooks than most humans, predict what will trend next, and literally optimize videos before they are even uploaded. Today I'm going to show you the exact AI tools that can realistically boost your views by 10x, not with hype, but with strategy. And some of these tools are so powerful that once you start using them, you'll never go back. So stay with me, because the last few tools I share are the real game changers. Before we dive in, if you're serious about growing on YouTube and building income streams with AI, make sure you hit like and subscribe right now. This channel, AI Side Hustle, is all about helping you use AI the smart way to grow faster, earn more, and stay ahead of the competition. And trust me, in 2026, AI is not optional anymore. It's survival. Let me start with something simple but powerful. The first tool that every creator must master is ChatGPT, but not the way most people use it. Most creators open ChatGPT and say, "Write me a YouTube script." That's lazy, and the results are average. In 2026, the real power of ChatGPT is in strategy, not just writing. You can use it to analyze top-performing videos in your niche, reverse engineer their hooks, generate multiple title variations based on psychology triggers, create retention-boosting script structures, and even simulate audience objections before they happen. Instead of asking for one script, ask it for 5 different hook styles. Ask it to rewrite your intro with more tension. Ask it to create pattern interrupts every 2 minutes. That's how you turn AI into a creative partner instead of a shortcut machine. Now imagine pairing that with a thumbnail intelligence tool like TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy in 2026 is not just about tags anymore. It analyzes click-through rate predictions, compares your thumbnail against top competitors, and gives data-backed suggestions before you publish. Think about that. Instead of guessing if your thumbnail will work, you get predictive data. That alone can double your CTR if used properly. And when your CTR doubles, YouTube pushes your video harder. More impressions, more views, more subscribers. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk about If you're not using AI image generation for thumbnails, you're missing a massive opportunity. Midjourney creates hyper-realistic, cinematic images that stand out instantly in crowded feeds. In 2026, attention is currency, and thumbnails are billboards. Instead of using stock photos that everyone else uses, you can create custom emotional visuals that match your exact video concept. Want a dramatic 10x growth visual? Generate it. Want a futuristic AI control room? Generate it. The more unique your thumbnail, the higher your click potential. Now, I want you to think about retention. Because views mean nothing if people click and leave. That's where Descript becomes powerful. Descript is more than an editor. It allows you to edit video like a document. But the real magic is AI-driven filler, word removal, automatic captions, and voice correction. Cleaner audio equals longer watch time. You can also use it to create short clips for YouTube, Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok without re-editing everything from scratch. One long video can turn into 10 short pieces of content that multiplies your exposure. Speaking of short content, let's talk about Opus Clip. This AI tool automatically finds the most viral segments in your long-form videos and turns them into short-form content optimized for retention. It detects hooks, highlights, emotional peaks, and reframes content vertically. In 2026, short-form traffic is still feeding long-form channels. So instead of manually guessing which part might go viral, AI identifies it for you. Now, let me show you something advanced: predictive trend analysis. Tools like VidIQ have evolved dramatically. VidIQ now doesn't just show search volume, it predicts emerging topics before they explode. That means you can create content before the trend becomes saturated, and early movers always win. If you can publish when competition is low but demand is rising, your chances of ranking increase massively. But tools alone won't give you 10x views. The real multiplier happens when you combine them into a system. Let me explain how a 10x workflow looks in 2026. First, you use VidIQ to identify rising topics. Then you validate those ideas inside ChatGPT by asking for audience pain points and curiosity gaps. Then you generate 5 high-STR titles and test them emotionally. Next, you design a custom thumbnail concept in Midjourney. Then you outline a retention-focused script structure with pattern interrupts every 90 seconds. Record, edit in Descript. Repurposed in Opus Clip. Analyze performance with TubeBuddy. Then refine. That loop, repeated consistently, is what creates compounding growth. Now, I want to talk about voice, because in 2026, AI voice technology has become incredibly realistic. Tools like ElevenLabs allow creators to generate studio-quality voiceovers that sound human, emotional, and natural. If you're camera shy, you can still build a powerful channel. And if you are on camera, you can use AI voice for narration, storytelling, or multilingual versions of your content. Imagine uploading one video and publishing it in Spanish, Hindi, and English using natural-sounding AI voice that expands your audience globally. Another powerful category is AI analytics dashboards. Platforms like Notion AI are being used to track content performance, brainstorm ideas, and manage production pipelines. Instead of messy spreadsheets, you can build a smart dashboard that tracks seat retention, upload frequency, revenue, and even idea backlog. Organization reduces stress. Reduced stress increases consistency. And consistency wins on YouTube. Let's shift to monetization, because boosting views is powerful, but boosting revenue is life. AI-powered funnel builders are now simplifying lead generation. You can use AI website builders to create landing pages in minutes. Combine that with email automation tools that write personalized sequences. Instead of sending generic emails, AI can tailor content based on user behavior that increases open rates and conversions. And here's something most creators still ignore: AI-powered audience feedback analysis. Tools can now scan your comment section and identify patterns. What are viewers confused about? What do they love? What questions keep repeating? That data becomes your next video ideas. Instead of guessing what to create, your audience literally tells you. Now, Let me share something strategic. In 2026, the algorithm rewards session time more than anything. That means your goal isn't just one viral video. It's a content ecosystem. I can help you map video clusters. For example, if someone watches Best AI Tools for Beginners, your next recommended video should be how to make $1,000 with AI tools, then automating your AI side hustle. That chain increases watch time across your channel. You can even use AI to script cliffhangers. At minute 4, introduce a promise. At minute 8, hint at a surprise tool coming later. At minute 12, show early results. These microhooks keep people watching. Now let's talk about automation. Zapier integrated with AI tools can automate repetitive tasks. When you upload a video, it can automatically post on social media. Update your content tracker. Send an email to your list and log performance metrics. Less manual work means more creative energy. Another underrated tool is Canva. In 2026, Canva's AI features allow instant thumbnail resizing, background removal, dynamic text effects, and brand consistency automation. That means every thumbnail looks professional and cohesive. And we can't ignore AI research assistants. Instead of spending hours researching statistics, AI can summarize reports, extract key insights, and fact-check quickly. That increases production speed without sacrificing quality. But here's the truth. Tools amplify strategy. They don't replace it. The reason most creators won't get 10x views is not lack of tools. It's lack of execution. They try a tool for a week and quit. Growth requires iteration. You test titles, you test hooks, you analyze retention graphs, you improve thumbnails. AI makes this process faster, but you still need discipline. Let me tell you a quick story. A small creator in the AI niche started with under 500 subscribers. Instead of uploading randomly, she built a system. Every week, she used predictive keyword research. She tested 3 thumbnails before publishing. She wrote hooks that created urgency. She repurposed long videos into 5 shorts each. Within 6 months, her channel crossed 100,000 subscribers. It wasn't luck. It was process plus AI. Now imagine applying that to your channel. Imagine waking up and seeing consistent growth. Imagine your views compounding month after month. That's what happens when you stop guessing and start optimizing. I also want to emphasize storytelling. Even if you're talking about AI tools, tell stories. Show transformation. Use examples. Paint pictures. Humans connect with emotion, not features. AI helps you structure, but your authenticity keeps people watching. And remember, your hook is everything. The first 15 seconds decide your video's future. Use contrast. Use bold claims. Use curiosity. Don't start with high, guys. Start with impact. As we move deeper into 2026, the creators who win will be those who combine creativity with data. AI gives you the data. You bring the personality. So here's your challenge. Pick 3 tools from this video, master them for 30 days, track results, improve weekly. Don't try everything at once. Build gradually. And if you've made it this far, comment below which AI tool you are most excited to try. I read the comments, and your feedback shapes future videos on AI Side Hustle. Also, share this video with a friend who wants to grow on YouTube but feels stuck. Sometimes the right tool at the right time changes everything. In the next video, we're going to break down a step-by-step blueprint to build a profitable AI-powered YouTube system from scratch. So make sure you're subscribed and notifications are on. The future belongs to creators who adapt. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to multiply you. And if you use it wisely, 10x growth isn't just possible, it's predictable.